Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of showing these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And so far, so good right there at that level. It is indeed holding as support, broke above it earlier, and then you can see back tested it, held strong, and then the final 30 minutes, you can see once again held strong. That's what I would call the ideal level when you say, hey Clay, what would make the chart look the absolute best? Certainly if the price can stay above the green line. However, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below there, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. Sure, it'd be great if the price could stay above the green line, but if it doesn't, by no means the end of the world. Taking a step back and looking at this from a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above the green line up there would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing new here to report. More so probably confirmation would be an accurate term, but 1565 did indeed act as resistance earlier on in the day, that red line there. But I do want to map out one more area now that that level is getting tested. So if the price on Tuesday or really anytime this week can get above 1565, next key level after that would be up there around $15.80. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on chipping away and building these higher bases like it's been doing, that is the name of the game. So nice way to start the week. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see what else this one has in store. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.